Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to check YouTube automatic dubbing feature. How automatic dubbing feature for YouTube will work, how you enable it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we already enable YouTube automatic dubbing feature. So we are in YouTube Studio and then settings, so click on it. Now setting pop-up open and then you see upload default, so again click on it, and then you see advanced setting, so again click on it. So we are in advanced setting and then you see multiple option. Now you see automatic dubbing, so we already enable allow automatic dubbing. We enable this option, manually review dub before publishing, and we select review dubs in experimental language only. So this feature will work for only new upload video, and this feature will not work for already uploaded video. Now close. So we uploaded these two video after enabling feature. Now click on detail and then on left side you see languages, so click on it. So we are in languages section and then you see translation, French, publish automatic, subtitle, one publish manual. Automatic mean published by or generated by YouTube, manual mean added or published by me. And then you see title and description, automatic. Now you see German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian. So this feature will only work for new upload video. Now click on any. Now you see German, Germany, title and description. Now you see title in German, you see description. Also you see hashtag, and then you see dub, automatic. Now you see manual subtitle. We added manually by using upload file or auto translate feature. So this is our dub, and then you see preview. Now you see, so you can listen YouTube video in another language. Now you see we select Germany. So by using this feature you will reach global audience. You don't need to record your audio in multiple languages. By using this feature YouTube convert your video into multiple languages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.